Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to insert formula in Word 2010. Just open Word document. Here you can see some data. I want to calculate total quantity of USA and total quantity of UK. How can I insert formula here? Just go to the table tool. Here you can see layout tab. In layout tab, here there is an option data. In data you will find formula. Just click formula. Word automatically detected. Understand you want to sum above value. If you press OK, formula will be applied. If you want to use any format, number format, you can use here. If you want to insert other formula, you can choose here. I want to calculate sum above. Just click OK. Here I want to calculate total quantity of UK. Just go to the data, formula, and Word understand you want to calculate left value, but I want to calculate above value. Just type above value above instead of left. Click OK. If I change any value like 600, formula will not be updated. If you want to update, just right click in formula and click update field. If I change here 300, just right click in formula and click update field. You can insert any formula in Word. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.